Uh-huh.
The right way to do it. Put the glob on there. Just like that. And sandwich them. It's an art form. Keep going. Good. Stop filming.